This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section, and right here, the top thing, Location, you want to click on Settings off to the right of Location. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, toward the very bottom, block new requests asking to access your location. By default, this is probably unchecked. You're probably allowing location sharing, but to disable it, you want to check that box. Block new requests asking to access your location. That is how to disable location sharing, and to enable it, you just uncheck the box. Then you would need to go down to the bottom right hand corner of that dialog box and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.